So you're wondering about performance testing. Let's talk about it. If you're new here, my name is the Test Lead. I make content to help you on your software testing journey. Today's topic, performance testing. Previously, I made videos talking about manual QA engineering as well as automation QA engineering. And those both focus on functional testing. Does the software function or work as expected? Yes or no? Performance testing deals with how well something works. So it's not always black and white, yes or no, it works. It's how well does it work? If I use 100 users or 1,000 users, how well does that software work? Does it slow down? Is it still fast? Or does it crash? That's why you do performance testing. Because think about it. Imagine when Black Friday or the biggest sales happen on these websites. They have to make sure that they can handle the new traffic that they're getting. Let's pretend on Amazon's website that normally they get 1 million users every day. But for Black Friday, they get 10 million. So let's say Black Friday comes, they get 10 million users, and Amazon crashes for the whole day. Now, Amazon makes no money. Customers are furious because they can't buy things discounted, so everybody's mad. And that could have been avoided if they would have done performance testing first to make sure that, okay, if we have 1 million users, 10 million users, 100 million users, can our website handle this? And if it does, how well does it handle it? Is it going to start to slow down? If it is, maybe we cap it at 10 million and have a queue of people waiting. That way, the user experience is still enjoyable. So that was a visual to help you understand performance testing. Now let's talk about some of the types of performance testing. Load testing. It measures how the application behaves under expected user load. An example, testing an e-commerce website with 10,000 concurrent users during a sale, like I mentioned. Stress testing. It evaluates the application's performance under extreme conditions to see when it breaks. An example is simulating 100,000 users on a social media application to test its breaking point. Spike testing examines how the system handles sudden spikes in traffic. An example, testing a ticket booking site during a popular concert release. Endurance testing checks for performance over an extended period. An example, running a banking application continuously for 48 hours to detect any memory leaks. Scalability testing verifies the system's ability to scale up or down based on user demands. An example, ensuring an app can scale from 1,000 to 50,000 users without degradation. Quick break. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help on your software testing journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. Now, back to the video. With performance testing, we use tools like JMeter or Load Runner to simulate a large amount of concurrent users using an application or software at the same time. So a requirement for becoming a performance tester is understanding how to use one of these tools. And you don't have to be an automated tester to use these. Some of them have low entry points where you can use their UI or GUI or their interface to create basic performance testing scripts. So don't let not knowing how to code stop you from learning how to do performance testing. Because once again, adding this skill set makes you more valuable, more marketable, and more importantly, gets you more money. So is this for you? Once again, this is going to be a little harder than basic manual QA engineering, but has a wonderful plus side. So if you're curious, dive into the performance testing world. There are tons of free or affordable resources to learn the basic skill set. If you currently have a performance testing team at your job, pick their brains. Ask them what tools they use any coding languages, and then try to learn those on your own. That way, if you want to transition from just a basic manual QA engineer, you can transition internally. And then once you get real experience, if you feel growth isn't available at your current job, you have real experience now, you can move to a better situation. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, this video here may be best for you. And most importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.